In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an online store that you actually own, GoDaddy Online Store Review. First, head to the GoDaddy Online Store Builder. This is where everything begins. On the landing page, look for the option to start for free. This lets you explore the builder and set things up before committing, which is great if you're just getting your feet wet. When you're ready, create your account and you can sign up using your email or connect with Google or Facebook. Pick whichever you'll remember and can secure easily. Strong, unique passwords are always a good idea, and enabling two-factor authentication helps keep your store safe. Next, GoDaddy will ask what you want to do. Choose selling with an online store. This tells the setup wizard to activate the commerce features you'll need, like products, checkout, and shipping. You'll then enter your business category and name your store. Choose a category that best matches what you sell, so templates and suggestions fit your niche. Your store name should be simple, memorable, and easy to spell. You can change branding later, so don't let this stall you. Inside your dashboard, go to the store section and select Add Product. This is where you build your catalog. Start with a flagship item so you can quickly preview the full shopping flow. Choose whether the product is physical or digital. Physical items require shipping details. Digital items are delivered by download or link. If you offer both, you'll repeat this process for each type, but start with one to get comfortable. Upload high-quality photos and write descriptive titles and prices. Use clear, well-lit images on a neutral background and show multiple angles. In your description, cover what it is, who it's for, key features, sizing or specs, and any care or warranty details. Keep pricing transparent and consistent with your strategy. Turn on inventory tracking and add SKU numbers. SKUs help you stay organized as your catalog grows. Use a simple format you can remember, like a short code for the product and variation. Inventory tracking prevents overselling and gives you low stock alerts. Configure payments and shipping. Connect a payment processor supported by GoDaddy. Set your currency. Add tax settings, and pick shipping options like flat rate, weight-based, or real-time rates. Do a quick test checkout to confirm everything works. Customize your storefront design. Choose a theme, set your colors and fonts, add your logo, and organize your homepage sections so shoppers see featured products and clear navigation. Finally, connect a domain and publish. Use a custom domain that matches your brand for a professional look. Preview your site, then go live. Your store is now open and truly yours.